Alright, John McLauchlan here. Welcome to day 33. It's Saturday night and there's no better time to do my lead gen secret. I've just been out for a run and I've been in the shower, so yes, I've got my dressing gown on. So there you go. But it is Saturday night. Right, so we're day 33 promoting Clickbank products with my lead gen secret. This is the case that I've been doing since the 1st of January, and we brought in consistent sales over the time that I've been doing this. So if we go to the dashboard in Clickbank, you can see we've got 14 sales now. Yesterday was 13, so I've got another sale came in, and currently we're doing a sale every other day. Okay, and it's starting to compound, so that's good. Back up to 8.81%, and then in a couple of days those gross earnings will change to where we are. So what we need to do, you need to get a Clickbank account. Okay, go to clickbank.com, get your account. You can promote everything for free, and you also need a my lead gen secret account. Okay. Let me just tell you, let me just put the cards on the table. If you want to make money online, and if you want to develop skills that are transferable into many other things, then you won't go far wrong starting with my lead gen secret. Okay, a lot of people see it for the face value of making money. Okay, and one of the things I'll say about making money online is that you've got to get the skills first. All right. Then I mentioned a video I did the other day, yesterday. Have a look at that. The card up there, and it's all about getting those skills. So something as really simple as promoting my lead gen secret with Clickbank, or promoting Clickbank products with my lead gen secret, can give you so many skills and set you up in the right way. Okay, my lead gen secret is $30 a month. Okay, it's going to cost you $60 for the first month, and then $30 a month thereafter per account. I recommend 3 accounts, but only get as many accounts as you can afford. You get 100 leads a day. If you refer someone to the system, you get 200 leads a day plus $5 commission to 5 levels deep. So it works really well, and you can also chain your accounts together. Okay, so you can go and find out how to do that in yesterday's video. And Clickbank is free, so you can get started for free. Just get your account, get it all squared away, and you can promote whatever you want. So what we want is the affiliate marketplace. And we want the e-business and e-marketing category, and we're promoting live chat jobs because we're sorting the results high to low. I'm going to go to the promote, and we're going to go and get our link, and I'm just going to go to 1ml, and date is 3rd 0302, and that's it. That's our link. It'll give us an encrypted link. We're going to copy this. I'm going to go and put this in the notepad. Okay, there's one big takeaway I'll say. I know there's a lot of people following. A lot of people have already subscribed. That's something else. If you haven't yet subscribed, or if this is the first time you've seen my video, okay, or the first time you've seen the channel, hit the subscribe button just below there, and also give us a thumbs up as well. Just give us some likes on that, because it helps more than you know. It really does. But yeah, there's a lot of people who have subscribed, a lot of people who follow along with this strategy. Okay, but it's better to follow along with your accounts. Okay, don't just follow along and watch and go, oh, look at that, it's great. Okay, get involved and you make some money. Okay, it's real simple. That's why I did these, putting these case studies together. So I'll show you how you can get your first account in a second. Right, we're going to go to the affiliate page. And we're going to go to the email market, because we're doing email marketing, we want the email swipes, and today we're on email 13, and we're going to copy all this. And we're going to go to the mailing system. I'm going to enter all the leads, and we're going to go to yesterday's email. I'm going to load that in so it keeps all the formatting. Saying. Put numbers in. I'm going to paste these in 4 times, and this just serves as a bit of a template. There we go. So let's read it through. So how would you like to spend your day chatting with people on Facebook? I'm going to leave that all the way through. Okay, I know it goes past the numbers, but it looks alright. It's no secret that Facebook is the most popular social networking site where many customers hang out. To answer their questions quickly and efficiently, businesses need live chat representatives. Capitalise, please. And that's where you come in. Like it. It's almost like I wrote it. I'm going to put this on there. Yep. You will be paid. You'll be paid to log into the excuse me, the business's Facebook account and respond to customer inquiries. Additionally, full training is provided, meaning this job is suitable for a novice. There are also no fixed conditions, so as long as there are customer inquiries, you can work as much or as little. Rubbish. Right, I'm going to change all that. You will be paid to respond to customer inquiries from the business's Facebook account. Excuse me. Additionally, full training is provided. In this job, oh my god, I should stop running. Additionally, full training is provided, meaning this job is suitable for a novice. There are also no fixed conditions, so as long as that, oh yes, this is rubbish, isn't it? Full training is provided. There are also no fixed conditions. Yeah, that's just rubbish. I'm going to take that out because it's waffle. You don't need... Yeah, whoever wrote this was obviously asleep. Additionally, full training is provided, meaning no experience is needed. Okay. You don't need previous experience. Alright, take that out as well then. You don't need previous experience, just a device that can connect to social media and website chat functions, smartphone, tablet, laptop. I am going to bring that down. I don't like it. It looks untidy. And that as well. That's better. There we go. Put my double chevron call to action in. Right, there we go. Done. That's better. Yeah, sometimes when you look at these emails, they're just rubbish. So you just need to just edit them a bit, make sure they make sense, and we're good to go. Right, so that's it. Should have a look at the let's do the 33. There we go. Sorry about the coughing. It's not the cough that carries you off, it's the coughing they carry you off in. Right, preview. That looks okay. Click on the link. And I'm running out of tea as well. Right, we'll get through this quick. So the hop is okay. That's all coded to us, so we're good to go. And we'll go perfect timing and send email. Click on source. Okay, click anywhere, Control A, C, and then right click, paste into the notepad. Let's get the the subject. Do you know I was doing this all bloody night, coughing. Didn't get any sleep at all, so I've been asleep for like nearly 48 hours. Right, log out. We'll go into account number 2. If I keep coughing, I'll call it a day. You don't want to hear me coughing all the time. So we're marketing mailing system. Select all the leads. Right click and paste that in. We'll just take off the excess code. Source, click on there, Control A, and then V. So we're just going to change the link on here. Right, that's it. I'm going to call it a day. 2. Okay. Perfect timing. Send email. Right, so we're going to repeat the whole process for all 5. You know the process by now. And then what we normally do, we go back to Clickbank, we have a look, and I refresh the page and go, look, we've had another sale. But never normally works. Not yet, anyway. So 14 sales since the 1st of Jan to today. So yeah, it's not too bad. These are all the hops, and if we just change the metrics, we can get the sales as well. There we go. So that's not looking too bad. Not looking too bad. Right. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to cut it short because I don't want to be coughing all over the video. So thanks for joining. Really appreciate it. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Give us a like. And if you've got any questions, because I get a lot of questions, so thank you for all the subscribers who've come on board so far with this, and thank you for all the questions as well. It helps everybody because everyone likes to get their questions answered, and everyone's got very similar questions. But it's only until people reach out, then lots of other people go, oh, that's a really good question, I can learn from that. So brilliant. Right, we're back tomorrow with Sunday tomorrow with another case study, which will be day 34. We'll see you then. Bye for now.